Hi, my name is Julie Galloway, and I volunteer at the Boys and Girls Club in Lowell. Today we're going to make a tree. The materials that you need for this project are trees like this that you can print out on the computer, a glue stick, scissors, and green construction paper. Now what you do is you cut out the tree from the template thing, and you trace it 8 times, 4 on one green sheet, 4 on the other green sheet. Then once you get them traced as I have, then you want to carefully cut them out. Be sure not to chop off any edges. The next thing you want to do is you want to decorate the trees with markers. I pulled up 4 markers here that I'm going to decorate the tree with. You want to fold the tree in half. You want to fold it in so the ornaments show when you go and fold it. So you want to line up all the points. Next step you want to do is you want to fully have trees like this. And then you want to take a glue stick and put it on half of the tree. So you take the glue stick and you put it on half of the tree. And then you take the other half of the tree that's all folded and you glue it to it. Like so. So then when you stand it up, it comes out like that. The last tree, you're gonna put glue on both sides of the tree. So you're gonna flatten it out so they can put glue on both sides of the tree, like I'm doing here. And then once you get on both sides of the tree, fold it in half again, paste it to one side. Oops. Glue it to one side, like so, and then open the tree up and glue it to the other side, like so. Then you have an 8-pointed tree. You have a whole tree with little ornaments and stuff on it.